Zaffar from the Zaffar tutorial. So today I will tell you about what is IELTS. IELTS. It stands for International, I for International, E for English, L for Language, T for Testing, S for System. International English Language Testing System. So what is it is? It is International Standardized Test of English Language Proficiency for not native English language speakers. So it is for the not native speakers. It is jointly managed by the British Council, IDP, IELTS Australia and Cambridge Assessment English, and was published in the 1989. So IELTS is one of the major English language tests in the world. So it is the acronym, which is full form is International English Language Testing System for the non-native speakers. So in the next video I will further give you the information about the IELTS. So in the next videos or in the future time I will bring for you a course on the IELTS course. So if you like this short information, then must subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.